Hey, Tom here, FlipAnything USA. So look, today I'm bird dogging retail industrial property. I'll show you how I do it. Come on along. Alright, so Ryan and I are taking a look at the industrial park. I really like this. The buildings are nice and clean and kept. This is the older part of it at the back, which we will go and venture out to the rest of it here pretty soon. And you can see, we go back here, just my kind of businesses, contractors, that's kind of my history. Loading docks, that's handy. Some of these names are recognizable. Davy Tree Service is one that I know. Pretty typical. This is one of these Alamo Brass. Looks like they make bullets. These tenants, I'm told, have been in here long term. Great, Sign. These are good kind of companies that, as long as the guys aren't too old, they'll probably be around 20 years. What do we got here? Premier. What does that say they do? All parking garages, make ready. So like they're kind of a general disaster company. Custom cabinetry. That's definitely my roots. So this is the back, and then we're coming up. They got more similar buildings ahead, and then all these buildings have a yard to the pole. The pole would be the line. Now I see 3 transformers. I'm looking for overheads coming this way, but it looks like the power goes down the pole. If you look at that real close, you'll see 3 transformers and a major pipe on the side here, there, coming down, which is probably feeding these buildings. So they have 3-phase service. That's good stuff. I like this because this is only a 1 hour, and really it didn't take us an hour to get here. Davy Tree Service again. Good looking buildings. Each building has front end access, and then they've got room to drive back and park their trucks. So they have yard. That's all great stuff, Pipeline here. Yep. They got a lot of yard. You can see a lot of equipment, decent looking trucks. Pretty going hard. Probably another big building back there. And it's clean, it looks clean, it's well kept. Cut all these trees tight to the fence, but not much to critique here. Sure. Looks like they repair FedEx trucks. And then when you kind of get up to the front, and now this is the original people that bought this property, built this. They're a big plumbing company, or AC and heating. Wow, they're AC and heating, which is great. Those guys practically print money in Texas. And so they've got that area, and now this is the properties that are more the newest ones, and they're kind of industrial, but in the front they're actually a little bit commercial. We have a liquor store in the front of this place. Again, good looking stuff. JD Hunt is a contractor. Alamo Lighting and Electric. Interesting. And then over here, surveying. I wish they'd have made these buildings a little taller, but it's just going to be a little liquor store or office. And this is Come Back Out Loud Liquors. Cocoa Company Boutique and Spa. Looks like they do okay. The parking is probably okay. This is probably about right. Might be a little bit light, but not too bad. Liquor stores in and out traffic all the time. People that come in for wood floors and tile and carpet. That's usually, a couple at a time coming and looking at what they want. So that's all kind of in and out. The yoga is probably the only one that might have 12, 15 people here at a time. The hair shop probably, unless they have individual hair care people where they rent them a sink and a station, they're probably doing all right, but it doesn't look like it's that big a business. So yeah, I like this. Well, hey, I hope you enjoyed that, because that's what I've been doing for the last 40 years, and you can be doing it too. Hey, go to FlipAnythingUSA.com, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel a lot. If you enjoyed what you saw here today, please do that for me. Make some comments, ask any question you like. Get in my webinars. They're generally every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. We'll see you later.